For the second time na first day of school. Kaya itong niaging Lunes, June 3. Wala man na klase di ay. Na-move karong adlaw, June 10, 2013. Uy, first day of school po ka, baby? Uy. Baby, first day of school po ka, baby? First day of school si Kuya, ali na. Kaya dili pwede ang parents diha. First day of school nila karon. From June 3, first day of school po karon June 10. First day of school po. Kaya school po ni aging simana.